Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to virtually lay the foundation stone for redevelopment of 508 railway stations across the country on Sunday, an official said on Friday. The project is expected to cost around 25,000 crore. These stations will be redeveloped under the Amrit Bharat Station Scheme, which was launched by the central government to redevelop 1,309 stations across the country. These 508 stations are spread across 27 states and union territories, including 55 each in Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan, 49 in Bihar, 44 in Maharashtra, 37 in West Bengal, 34 in Madhya Pradesh, 32 in Assam, 25 in Odisha, 22 in Punjab, 21 each in Gujarat and Telangana, 20 in Jharkhand, 18 each in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, 15 in Haryana and 13 in Karnataka. The highest allocation among the 24 stations has gone to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus at 1,813 crore. This station is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Also, Gujarat's Surat station has been allocated a 980 crore facelift. Close to Surat's heel is Tamil Nadu's Chennai Egmore station with an estimated cost of development standing at 842 crore. Highlighting the upgradation of passenger amenities as the main focus of the government, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav on Friday, that is 4th August, said, "Our Prime Minister is personally monitoring the progress of the railways from time to time. He has given excellent inputs on the design of stations and he would be laying the foundation stones for 508 stations on Sunday." World-class facilities will be provided in the revamped stations. The stations will also showcase the grandeur of India, its art and rich cultural heritage. Lifts, escalators, concourses, waiting rooms and retail areas with modern facilities will be provided for the benefit of the passengers. Also, appropriate arrangements would be made for the arrival and departure of passengers and vehicle parking. Smooth passage will be given at stations by removing unwanted structures, improved lighting, better circulating area, upgraded parking space, Divyangjan-friendly infrastructure, environmentally conducive building by use of green and renewable energy. The standard elements of station design will have development of stations as city centers and integration of both sides of the city. The redevelopment plan has been called historic as this is the first time in the world that a program of laying the foundation stone of such a huge number of stations is being conducted. The aim is to complete the redevelopment work of these stations by 2025.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.